children. Today we will draw and learn English. Let's draw unicorn Hello Kitty. What is this? These are Hello Kitty's eyes. Right eye, left eye. Now, draw the nose. This is Hello Kitty's nose. Now draw the head. A big round head. Right ear. Let's draw the bow. Hello Kitty's cute bow. Now draw the ears. Left ear. Now draw the horn. A unicorn horn. Next, draw the hair. Colorful hair. Look, Hello Kitty's head is ready. Now, draw the arms. Right arm. Left arm. Draw the dress. A pretty pink dress. Draw the legs. Right leg. Left leg. Now draw the tail. A colorful tail. Great job! Now it's coloring time. Let's color the horn, the hair, the dress, and the tail. Well done! This is Unicorn Hello Kitty. See you next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget to check my Draw and Learn English playlist. Don't forget to like and subscribe.